What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs, and today I have a 2020 Chevy 2500 High Country that we're going to take a look at. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted or leveled and get some new wheels and tires, you should take a look at what this one has on its setup. So first, I'm going to go over the leveling kit that we added to this vehicle, which is going to be a 2-inch leveling kit, which actually is going to have the keys switched out to actually lift that front up a little bit more and fit this bigger wheel and tire package. There are different options you can go with different leveling kits, but with this one, it's just going to be the keys, no other replacements, so it's actually a pretty simple installation process. With this wheel and tire package, the tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which I like to describe this one as kind of a hybrid tire between the mud terrain and the all-terrain tire. So it's going to give you the aggressiveness of the mud terrain tire, but it's also going to give you a little bit better noise reduction and better on-road performance with the center tread being a little bit closer together. So if you don't want to go with a Fury, you do have different options. You can go with your Toyota Open Country or your Nitto Ridge Grappler as well. So you do have more than just one option. Down here we have a 22x12 TIS 544 and the machine face, gloss black and machine face finish. This one's going to be that -44 offset, so it's going to give you about a 4 to 5 inch lip, which is going to really stand out, and also it's going to push that wheel and tire package out just as far as well, probably closer to 3 to 4 inches with this setup. But also what I like about this one is that the little bit of that directional look. It's not too directional, but it does give it a little bit of that swept look. And I like how the machine face and the gloss back lip are different. It really stands out on a lot of vehicles, and this is a very popular wheel that a lot of people are using currently. This one does come in a lot of different finishes, from chrome, all matte black, all gloss black and milled, and of course your machine face and gloss black lip. So if you want to get this wheel into different sizes, they also come in a 20x10, a 20x12, a 22x12, and 22x14 for this finish. There's other sizes for other wheels, so if you guys want any more information, make sure to check out below to see all that information. So overall, this is a really good looking truck with the wheels and tire setup, as well as the leveling kit that we added to it. So if you guys want to get that done for your vehicle, we can do that right here at Krietz Customs. You can also take advantage of our 0% financing for up to 12 months. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you check out the information below.